If you place grains of sand into a pile, one grain at a time, at what point does that pile turn into a heap? This is a famous language trap, and I will tell you the answer right now. It turns into a heap whenever we decide to call it that. Why, you may ask? Because the word heap is what I like to call a descriptive word. It is not a precise unit of measurement, so it doesn't matter how many grains of sand there are. The pile is a heap when I say so, or we say so, when the majority of people say so. It could be 5 grains or 5 billion grains. It makes zero difference. So why is it a paradox if it's so easy to solve? Like I said, it's a language trap. The framing of this paradox is deliberately structured to create the illusion of a defining line. You are carefully pushed into thinking that there should be a way to define what a heap is. If it's a word we use to describe amounts, surely there should be some amount that defines a heap, right? Life teaches us to measure things in specific units all the time. Whether you're counting money, recipe ingredients, gallons of gas, or minutes left until you get to go home. It's literally everywhere. Math is baked into our brains, so we assume that, logically speaking, heap should have a specific amount attached to it. The reality is that heap describes a wide range of things. As a descriptive word, it's used to invoke or capture an emotional reaction to something. It's not actually used to measure anything. There are many words like it that serve the same purpose. I could create the same paradox with any word used to describe a physical reality. You know, how many inches tall is tall? How many lumens count as bright? How many trees do you need to make a forest? And so on. Like many paradoxes, the sorites paradox is a clever logical trick that reframes our understanding just enough to confuse us without actually changing anything. It is simple wordplay, and there's no need to think too hard about it.